Changing your profile picture on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Step 2. Access your profile. In the top right corner of the Teams interface, click on your profile picture or initials. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. From the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Edit Profile. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your profile settings. Step 4. Change your picture. Look for the option to change your profile picture. Click on the camera icon or the current picture to upload a new image from your device. Make sure the image meets the required specifications. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new image, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm the update. Your new profile picture should now be visible to your contacts. Updating your profile picture on Microsoft Teams is a simple way to personalize your account. Follow these steps wherever you want to refresh your image.